sun is so bright. We're just walking. We're just walking. I don't know.
It's over here.
Say hi, Roxy. Hi. What? Roxy. Oh, hi, Roxy. What are we doing?
Man, you are looking bad with that sugar all over you. You got on your face, shirt.
I know I have sugar all over me for funnel cake fries. Not funnel cake fries. And we are at Hershey Park. Yeah, that's how you get on the slide, Dad. Get on the slide over there.
This way?
Yeah.
All right.
About to get on the slide. Bye.